Hello Samsung fans, welcome to SammyFans. Few weeks ago, Samsung introduced its all-new One UI 3.1.1 along with its third generation foldable smartphone Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 3. Now, the company has released the One UI 3.1.1 update for its older foldable smartphone Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G, Galaxy Z Flip 5G and Galaxy Z Flip. The new One UI 3.1.1 brings several new features. So in this video, I will tell you how to use these features in your smartphones. Starting with the drag and split feature. This feature lets you simply drag the link you want to check to the edge of your screen and open it in a new window to be viewed simultaneously. So to enable it, press down on the link you want to open, then drag the link to wherever you want to on the edge of your screen to open a new window. Moving forward to the next feature, which is multi-active window and natural window switching. When it comes to changing the layout of your apps to your preferred style, natural switching makes transition more responsive and intuitive. With One UI 3.1.1, the window you want to move will pop up when you press down on the top handle, making it easier for you to drag and drop the app to your desired location. So to enable it, first go to the setting, then click Advanced, then Feature, then go to Labs, then click on Multi-Window for all apps. Moving forward to the next feature, which is Rotate All Apps. One of the best advantages the uniform factor of a foldable smartphone offer is the detailed experience it provides users whether they are viewing an app in portrait or landscape orientations. So for this, company has fine-tuned the latest One UI upgrade to make switching your phone from portrait to landscape smoother than ever. So to enable this feature, first go to the setting, then click on Advanced Feature, then go to Labs, then click on Auto Rotate Apps, then choose between two options, either Keep Apps Orientation or Match Phones Orientation. Talking about the next feature, which is Set Aspect Ratio for apps. To get the most out of Samsung expensive foldable displays, simply enable this feature in Labs. For this, first go to the Labs, then click on App to customize aspect ratio. Then select one of four options: Full Screen, 6:9 ratio, 4:3 ratio, and App Default 2. If you want to know these features in detail, then check previous videos. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe our channel.